Hey guys, this is Spicy Trail Mix back with some good spice today on how and when the universe will end. Alright, well, first, there was believed to be a Big Bang, and mere milliseconds after that, the universe began to create itself. For example, protons and neutrons were created only 2 seconds after the Big Bang, and within the first 3 minutes, nuclear fission began. Finally, after much more, and 14 billion years later, we have life today. Okay, so up above is one singular square of the universe. Let's say it's 100 light years by 100 light years. The universe happens to be homogeneous and isotropic. This means that the placement of matter throughout the universe would be the same everywhere, no matter where you look. This means that there could be multiple squares just like this one placed all over the universe. Now, considering this, if the universe has no edge or center, it goes on for infinity in both size and age. But we know one of these isn't true. So far as we can see no edge, we assume age must be wrong. But if it started somewhere, it must have a size, which means that's wrong too. So if we were to place ourselves at the center of the universe and drew a circle out 15 billion light years, it would be the edge of our visible universe. But someone placed differently, farther out to the edge, would have a different edge in time and space. So where is the actual edge? It's one of the questions that we are trying to answer with all of this research. So if the universe has a beginning and an edge, we need proof. Penzias and Wilson are two men who discovered CMBR, cosmic microwave background radiation. They used a satellite and found there was a constant background noise, which was later proved to be found coming from every direction in different intensities as heat left over from the Big Bang. So, what is out there, and what is its end? On that thought, even before Penzias and Wilson, was Albert Einstein. In his time, he developed the universal static and even a cosmological constant, which is this big equation that'll show up below soon. It introduced the idea of there being two sides, matter and energy side and a space and time side. This would mean that space and time is a cause and effect. Now, it turns out that there's no cosmological constant needed. There was an initial condition of the universe expanding that was working against all the things in itself and their gravity. In fact, the universe could have been in a false vacuum state, decaying to the low energy state that it is, and eventually creating the Big Bang. Now that we've talked about the universe's possible beginnings, let's talk about its possible endings, and we'll take it from the perspective of a ball. The universe has three possible paths, the first being escaping gravity and expanding forever at a quick pace. The second, and the least possible to happen, being the ball is thrown at a speed just high enough to escape gravity and expanding forever at a slow pace. And the final is the universe's ball is pulled back into gravity and causes everything to come back together, making a big crunch. Meaning, things coming together could start another Big Bang, and this could go on forever on repeat, and could have happened before. This is all connected to time and distance, and how we are only here just having been thrown as that ball, so we have no idea which path the universe will take yet. This also sheds light on how young the universe could be when we are even at 15 billion years old. Along with vastness and possible expansion, the universe is 75% dark energy, which we know almost nothing about and can't even see. And it's 23% dark matter, which is also less known, and finally is simply 2% atoms like planets, stars, and even us, and everything on Earth that we know. Well, guys, I'll leave you on that and let you think. So smash that like button and tickle that cheeky subscribe for Spicy Trail Mix.